Greetings to all from another video of what is good. The strategies mentioned in this previous video is fractal and the moving averages, known as good human. This time we will apply it all. First, go to temporary markets and set the charts right in Ash in 15 seconds on time frame. Now we're gonna use Fractal Chaos bands with moving average. Okay, we're gonna set that 7 period simple move manage. Now style, that's up to you. We're gonna use True thickness and blue. The other one, guys, 20 periods. Okay, we're gonna use True thickness red. And the Fractal Chaos, gonna use 2 periods and with this style. Okay, unselect the background and click on save. That's very important. Now let's do the first one. Okay, we're gonna use 1 minute on time and we're gonna start with $27. This first step to detect the trend. Here we see a strong trend while it seems to be losing strength. It gives us enough perspective to decide if we should trade upward or downward. Remember, always trade with the trends. Okay, this is the first criterion. Now let's find an entry with higher payouts. Once identified it, take the trades. For example, I see a crossover of moving average. Because of that, I click on buy button on the X1. Okay, entering an upward in that. And what is defined the strat configuration? First, the crossover of average indicators bullish signal. Second, strong Chaos factor, breakout confirms. But the price shows upward signals may suggest to the downward moment in slowing. For instance, news or macro trend could explain why the price is rising. Look for the confirmation. It's crucial to analyze, guys, your position and decide whether to trade up or down. First, click on that. Okay, hold a moment to observe the situation. Look at that. Let's see that come for the first position.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
And look at that, guys, there's a lot of fluctuation, but position 1 on all the USD, man. Despite volatility with long wicks, the price broke upward. So for the next entry, guys, we're gonna use the same configuration, okay? But now I'm gonna start with $49. After identifying a new entry, I'll explain it. For instance, here's right now on the cat after it's a break, a price break resistance with an upward again and buy button. And guys, that's a strong momentum. Why trade upward? First, the Chaos channel is breaking apart. Look at the resistance based on wicks. Second, the strong breakout of the Chaos channel suggests upwards momentum. Okay. Third, the moving average right here trend in bullish. Look at that. Observe the classics for clarity. While volatile, the market's giving upward signals for despair. Although there are some bearish movements, the bounce is strongly breaking upwards. This strategy avoid gales. Focus on straightforward decision making, and a trade is early one on that. And look at that, guys, $90 in the total. We got this again. I want another one, and last to then find the next entry. And we're gonna use $91 for the next one. Okay. Cat, 8F, and let's wait for this, guys. Remember, It's currently 10 for the marks open 30. So trades needs to happen before volatility increases. In a new Euro T8F, we observe 2 upward candle that we just use the buy button again. The Chaos channel just break out upward with bullish trends, and let's confirm the entry was well timed. Okay, the preparation looks promising for upward movement. And look at that, guys, the target is reached, another win position on Euro T8F. This straightforward strategy is proving effective. Okay, look at that. It's a good enough word. Always trade with awareness. Strong trends prevent higher risk if entry is too late. Still, this session has been profitable. I'll look for a final trade right now, guys. Okay, it's all or nothing now. We're gonna with all win on that for the last one. $171. That's all my whole bankroll. Let's wait for that. And look at these guys, we perform another entry on T8F as a sell button on that. And look all the points as I said for you. At level 4 intercompound, this position that the strategy signals downwards, less like this, with moving average and Chaos breakouts aligning with bearish momentum. Take time to analyze each entry, especially if you're inexperienced. Patience is crucial for identifying quality setups. Remember that, that's very important, okay? Volatility can increase the chance of losing trade cautiously.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Will depend on that, okay? And look, these guys respect this again in another win on T8F, man. The account has grown from $27 to $321 with this simple strategy. Look at that, man. Monitor big trends, remain patient, and rely on clear signals for entry. I hope this video is helpful for you. Share your feedback in the comments. Remember, trading requires precision and understand of the price action, guys. I wish you successful trading sessions. Join the channel's live broadcasts, and we'll see you in the next video. Please write your comments and your opinion, and let's see you on the next live, guys. Bye bye. See you. Have a good day.